What's up, guys? Welcome to the first video of Algebra 2. Glad you're here. Starting off with the review today, order of operations and some transformations, which you've done all of this before, but not a bad place to start. Get you off to a great start, all the things. So here we go. Probably heard of this before, PEMDAS. You know what that stands for. Either please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. PEMDAS is great as long as you know one or two things, and that is this right here. That M and D, multiply, divide, is whichever comes first, as you go left to right. Same thing with addition and subtraction. They go together, whichever comes first, left to right. I know you know that. Just a quick reminder, because school just started back. All right, let's do 2 or 3 of these and see what we get. Okay, the first one says 50 divided by 5 squared times 2. So what I'm doing first here, please, there's no parentheses, no grouping symbols, but there is an exponent right here. So I'm going to take care of that exponent first. Everybody knows 5 squared is 25, at least I hope you do. And that leaves me 50 divided by 25 times 2. Now, that's multiplication and division. And remember, you go left to right. So I'm going to do division first because it's first. That's 2 times the 2 there. Give 4. And if you don't go in that order, guys, your answer is going to be like way off. So that's why the order of operations are so important. Let's go to the second one here. Move that out of the way. It says 1/2 times 2 squared plus 22. Again, PEMDAS. 1/2 stays outside. I've got to do the exponent first. 2 squared is 4. Then I've got parentheses, 4 plus 22, and now I can multiply. Half of 26 is 13. All the ways to that one. One more here just to show you. This one, pretty good. Please excuse. So really this parentheses right here comes before the exponent does. Okay, so do the parentheses first. Now do the exponent. Exponent next. 2 squared is 4. Now I'm going to do the multiplication before subtraction. 1/6 of 24 is 4 minus 4. All that work just to get 0 at the end. Okay, I'm going to show you one transformation. Let's wrap up this video. I want to do a real quick one because it's the first one, not to get you too frustrated. So here we go. It says reflect the triangle in the y-axis. I'm taking every point and flipping it or reflecting it across the y-axis. Okay, this one, that point right there is 2 away from the y-axis, so it's going 2 away on that side. This one is 3 away, so it's going 3 away on this side. This point is on the y-axis. I can't move it. So if I do that, I get this figure right here, the same triangle. It's reflected. It's a perfect, pretty perfect for me. Reflected across the y-axis. Then it says, let's go 2 units left. So I'm going to take every point and go this way, 2 to the left, 2 to the left, 2 to the left. Connect the dots, la la la. And the blue one is the final answer where you reflect it across the y and then 2 units left. So our final answer is that blue triangle right there. So tomorrow when you come into class, we're going to do a few order of operation problems, probably 3 or 4 reflection problems. And I know you've done it before. Just a quick review and get you ready to go for like the real Algebra 2. So take advantage while you got it. All right. Glad to have you again. See you tomorrow.